Drop it.
What's going on, team?
What's up, team? How we doing?
All right. I got a full disclosure. I was drinking the coffee before the stream started, but then realized that it was just all in my mouth. I had to spit it back in a cup. So you guys are going to watch me drink it again.
That's gross. That's disgusting.
Yummy.
That's
all right. How you guys doing?
Dude, today's been fun. This whole market's been wild today. The 1 minute traffic lights have been filthy.
Well, they have absolutely been filthy. All right, I just want to put it out there, right? I had a conversation with Andy. That's why I was a little late. We were also negotiating with Applejacks. It could be happening. I'm excited about that. Yeah. So Andy shared with me that pushed to the database, there were 40 daily traffic lights yesterday.
40. That's going to be exclusive to Lifetime for 2 weeks, right?
Yeah, exclusive to Lifetime for 2 weeks. And then the 4 hour also exclusive to Lifetime for 2 weeks. Now, I would expect that on the 4 hour, you're probably going to get a lot more alerts, probably. I would like to have them capped, though. I really feel like, there's really no need for, 100 alerts on a 4 hour.
Yeah, they're good to see because then you can just pick and choose which ones you want.
Bingo! I set you up for that one. That's exactly Andy's logic. Yes, that's exactly Andy's logic, which then brings me to my point here because there's a method to my madness. The thing here is you guys need to lock it the fuck in and start falling back into the strategy. Because when you do, these 4 hours and these dailies are going to be fucking stupid.
Oh, they're crazy, dude.
Yeah, you
I kind of did one today.
No,
I'm looking at one today that I'm in now.
Oh, shit. There you go. Seriously, you jump in a trade and then, next day you're up 30% and then you're just running around the house like, right? I'm a rich DJ, right? Anyway, so
it's so simple.
Yeah, very, very simple stuff. So with that being said, it's like, I need you guys to lock it in. All right. That is for the 4 hour and the daily. Now I can't wait for the 1348 lifetimers to actually rock with this because this is gonna be epic. And
it's gonna be fun.
Yeah. And after that, don't ask me for nothing else, guys. Well, I got 2 more things in the pipeline. STV's got a couple of more things in the pipeline. But after that, I think we're locked and loaded as far as what this is as a strategy. You either get it or you don't get it. And I'm sorry, if you're below the intelligence curve, sorry, just blame your dad for that one. Because we try to dumb it down as to the lowest 25th percentile. You really don't get any easier than this.
No.
It's
so simple.
It's very, very simple.
When you follow the rules that we lay out for you guys, it makes it super easy. And if you keep your risk tight, which you all should be doing, it makes it super simple as well.
Makes it super simple as well.
Yeah,
so, again, trade1348.com. Go ahead and get you some. Link down in the description. All right. And it's $1,348. I'm still giving you an opportunity, even for those who are just still on the sidelines, wondering if they want to jump into this community, giving you an opportunity to lock in that price. No, otherwise,
that's the 50% off discount.
Yeah. Otherwise,
we only do that because we like you.
Yeah. Otherwise, you could pay
we
full
are
price.
Losing money on that.
Yeah. You could pay full price and disappoint your mother, and she'll be like, why the fuck you do that for? Alternatively, you could go ahead and spend $1,500 on an 85-inch screen TV for the Super Bowl just to impress your friends, and then they're not going to give a fuck about you by summer. Those are your options.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Invest in yourself. 1348 lifetime. Wait, was it OG lifetime? That is the promo
Yeah,
code?
OG Lifetime's the code.
All right. So, guys, check it out at trade1348.com. Jordan got stopped out at 63% gains. So, first day with 1348, took SPY for a while now, watching movement and playing up my stop loss. Yeah,
Pretty
Jesus.
fucking great, dude.
Yeah. That's dope. Let's see. What's up with Nancy? Okay, we'll check on that in a second.
Nvidia, it's probably just fucking around as usual. This is getting interesting here. Dude, SPY has been such a little fucker at this 13 EMA all day long.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Also, guys, I want to show you something. Check out Roku. Let's go to Roku for a second. Right. So you were alerted on the 3-minute to play it on a 5. On a 5, you see you got your traffic light. Now this is wild because you could use a series of that alerted at 12:37. So let's go back to this candle here. 12. This candle right here. That was where the cross happened. Right here. You guys see that? Even on the 5-minute, which is a stronger trend than the 3-minute. Do you have the traffic light front running even the alerts? So what does this mean? This means that you can play into the alert, capture the meat of the move, and if it crosses, it crosses. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Right? But now, if Invictus crosses, if Invictus pulls through, or excuse me, if it in fact crosses on the 5-minute, which it looks like it will, right? Then you get to ride the momentum down to 5104. So you're essentially in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles ahead. And you would have printed by this candle here, even though you're consolidating at the 48. Okay. So as it stands right now, will it cross? Well, that's all dependent on the RSI converging on its moving average here and breaking above 50. But the MACD looks healthy. I want to see RSI pivot back down and stay below 50. But this traffic light here on the 5-minute with Roku could be beast. Right?
Yeah. Especially if the SPY starts cracking.
I want to look at Netflix as well. Hold on.
Netflix had earnings, so the indicators are going to get a little bit fucked up.
Okay. So with Netflix, we saw the cross up at 12:19. That puts us on this candle on the 5-minute. Let's see here. We got the alert at 12:19.
Yeah, that's just Chop City. I'm not touching that.
Yeah, that is Chop City. Let's see. Tessie getting a dot on the daily?
Is it? No way.
It looks like it could be.
Oh, it's close. It's close.
Yeah, it's looking like it can find itself a dot on the daily to the upside. You guys
could.
Imagine that, right? Not having to sit there and wait for a trade and just having those daily and 4-hour alerts smacking the side of the head while you're at work, while you're with your side chick, while you're with your wife that you can't stand and you can't wait to divorce, but 1348 is going to make that happen. It's all here. Right?
And it's all a game of risk. You shouldn't be scared of losing money on the trade. You should be scared of yourself when you're in the trade. Don't do dumb shit.
That's it.
That's how people fuck it up.
Absolutely.
You have to keep your risk in check, because if you do, it avoids all the dumb things that you could potentially do once you're in the trade. If you know exactly what your risk is, the dollar amount and percentage of your portfolio that you're risking on the trade, who cares? You know what the worst case scenario is.
You know. Stay away from marriage. Life wisdom. Thank you for that tidbit. Now, let's go ahead and catch up here. We see in the comments IWM. So we'll go to the 5-minute here, IWM. Now, interesting enough, the 3-minute has a traffic light.
Yeah. Oh, it's getting there.
Yes.
5-minute looks interesting.
And the 5-minute is fixing itself for something. IWM gave you a traffic light, got rejected at a level, hanging out here. Me personally, if I'm swinging IWM on a daily, I'm probably getting out the moment RSI breaks his moving average here on the daily.
Yeah. I mean, on that IWM trade too, if you were taking that daily traffic light, you would have, if you didn't scale out, I mean, I would look at you and say, what the fuck is wrong with you? Like, that's a big move.
That's
like,
a
if you took that
ridiculous move.
IWM daily traffic light, like, you are up a shitload.
Yeah. So, STV, you want to tell me a little bit about what Jason tweeted? I mean, he was up 300% last week or something like that.
Yeah, he's up. Jason, so the person who became a millionaire. Let me see right here. Where is it? Let me find the tweet. He's got a few of them. Let's see. Yeah, in the last week, he's up 347% trading with us in 1348.
That's wild.
Yep.
That's wild.
Holden's up like 80 something percent this month, but prior to that, he was up like 800%. He's stacking on more. It's filthy, man. I mean, it is what it is at this point. You guys have all seen it. Don't get left behind because we will leave you behind once the price increases. Oops, sorry. I mean, it is what it is. We are going to be increasing the prices.
Yeah, we have to. We have to. Guys, this data costs us money. A lot of it. Okay. So that's the end of that. Let's go ahead and let's see. You know what's interesting though? Like for everything that we provide everybody and with real-time options data, et cetera, like if one individual went ahead and attempted to do this, right? I mean, it would be financially impossible to do so. That's it.
We know people who tried. Even one aspect of it, like you can't do.
Yeah, they can't do it. All right, let's get some tickers in here, and then we're going to open up the lines and have some fun.
Let's do it. Ooh, SPY looks a little bit choppy.
Let's go ahead.
Let's see.
Check that out. Are you playing SPY on a 1 minute again?
Maybe. No, I'm just looking at stuff here. I love the 1 minute right now. The 1 minute is super fun. The risk is so tight, dude.
I mean, okay, so on the 1 minute here, did you have your risk at the 48? Or you had it at the 13? Like on this traffic light?
Which one? I played the one it's hard. There's so many of them, but I just scalp them super quick. Like I played the ones up, I played the ones down, and I'm scalping them super quick. The reason why I can just scalp these really, really, really quickly is because I just use my stop loss strategy. I see it go up between 5 and 10%, scale out, move a stop to break even, and I don't care what happens after. So like it can continue to go like wildly in my direction. That's cool. But if it doesn't, I'm already secure in the base hits. And most of the time with these dots or the traffic lights, you're seeing them hit 5 to 10% relatively quickly. So I could just lock in my gains and make it risk free.
There you go. There you go. Oh man. If you guys like to play that warning volatility, the 1 minute's where it's at.
Yeah. I still don't do them in the morning, but I know it works. It's just, it scares me a little. I'd have to size it down even more because I size these down a lot. And if I size those down even more, it'd be like, all right, well.
So you end up like puckering up your butthole till it gets numb, right? That's how scared you get on the 1 minute. Okay, cool.
Well, in like the first 10 minutes, I don't do it. But like after the first 15, 20 minutes, unless there's crazy data coming out at 10, I'll play some of it. If it looks really good.
Yeah.
Usually they're the best when the reversal. This is what I talked about in my traffic light video. Usually they look the best when the reversal setup is already showing. So you catch it on the 1 minute and then boom.
I like it. I like it. Entries are tough. I don't understand. Okay, so let's see. I'm having issues with the entries, but I'm trying.
Using the 1 and the 5 minute traffic lights makes it super simple and a lot easier.
Yes. Let's see.
And we're gonna go over a lot of that in the lifetime masterclass this weekend. I think we focus a lot on the 1 minute. Like 4 hour and daily, we're gonna cover too, but that 1 minute and mainly how to play the 1 minute to really just pinpoint your entries is gonna be killer.
Yes, I agree. I agree. So let's go ahead and bring up. Oh, this is a community fave here.
Envidia.
How is NVIDIA? I haven't even looked at NVIDIA. Oh, dude. That is just screaming reversal there.
Oh, it sure
see that?
is.
Oh, look what it has. How do you get the chart on the desktop trading view app? It's the only place to get it is with our free trial, Jorge. It's our own proprietary chart and indicator. So once you get access to all the proprietary algorithms, everything like that, you can then link your platform account to Discord. And then on any of the alerts, I believe they're on the platform alerts too. You can just go in, save the chart, and then you have it.
There you go.
You're also about to get alerted of those on the daily, which is sexy.
Man. Ooh. NVIDIA on the 5 minute. Remember earlier in the stream today, guys, I drew out this blue pill line here showing consolidation. She just broke out. Wow. So the thing is, my question is when are you gonna get the fuck out?
If they're using the stop loss strategy, they can let that one go. I mean, it depends on where their stop is, but like at that point, you should have been moving them up.
Yeah. Let's see. I love it when Vix bites his cheeks and licks his teeth uncontrollably.
Don't be one of those people from my fucking DMs, bro. We don't play those fucking games over here.
Oh Jesus. Was that what who was that asked for a pic
I mean,
of
I'm
their
not gonna
cock?
out them. I'm not gonna out them, but I will meme them. I'm gonna send them a picture of a bunch of Algo's chickens.
There you go.
and then just like crop them out and then meme it.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, I understand that STV looks like a fucking Backstreet Boy, but he doesn't swing that way, right? So stop going ahead and
stop trying to fuck me. Oh, you dudes.
Oh,
I'm not a piece of meat.
Yes. Is this public? I think so. By
Yeah,
accident.
whatever.
It's whatever. I don't like angles. You mean ankles? Okay. That's fine.
That's fine. Did I get a haircut? No, I did not get it. Everybody thinks I got a haircut today, but I didn't. I need one.
Oh, man. Don't knock it until you try it.
Knock what? No, shut up, Moto. We're not playing these games today with you.
We're not packing fudge here. Okay.
Yeah, this is not for me. If you want to go do that on your own time with other people, cool. I'm just not going to be a part of it. So,
would you do a threesome with another dude?
No, that's just gay sex with a witness.
Using a woman as a proxy.
No, it's still gay sex with a witness.
Jesus. Okay, anyways, Invictus 6 for 14, trying to catch up on the day. Let's see Invictus pull through, but we got the last alert was UNG. Now let's go to the 3 minute. Let's see what else we got. Netflix alerted on the 3 minute. So let's go ahead and check out Netflix.
Whoa, what the holy SPY? What the hell just happened to the SPY?
What heard me say secure the bag, and the SPY was like, the SPY in a video. Hold on, wait, that's NVIDIA.
Whoa, something's going on here. Those wicks were ridiculous.
It looks like things are coming on down. I mean, it looks like
Look
it's
at
coming down.
Is this on trade? I know it's on Webull. Yeah, let's pull this up on TradingView. Look at that thing. It just wicked.
Oh boy, oh boy.
I don't know what their goal is to do with this thing right now, but this is moving all over the fucking place. What the hell is going on?
Yes. Let's see. Netflix, going back to Netflix, was that? No, that was Nvidia that we were talking about. And I was telling you guys, secure the fucking bag. Right now, as it stands with Nvidia, you're going to fuck around and find out you have the 13 there that's holding it. You break that 13, things aren't looking good for you right now.
This is one of those like decision candles where somebody wins, the buyers or sellers, and then it could really go crazy in either direction. Oh, Waller's stop talking right now. That's what it is. What is he saying? Come on. Fed's Waller backs quarter-point rate rise at the next meeting. Continued rate rises will be needed. Sees ample evidence that the economy is slowing is needed to contain inflation. Fed is making progress on the inflation fight. They didn't say anything. That's literally what we know. The market's like, oh my God.
Yeah.
Relax.
We got another traffic light here with the QQQ would have made you a very, very, very wealthy. Well, maybe not, but there's a lot of money made here. Let's see. 277, 279 as it stands. QQQ, not bad. SPY contracts getting spicy for no reason or pricey for no reason.
Yeah, this is moving they're moving all over the place right now.
Yes.
Well, the market's just on crack right now. You look at this on the 5-minute candle; it's just ding, 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 ding. It's like playing pinball.
Yeah, it is. I don't trust Nvidia right now. Anybody in display, I don't know, not financial advice, but like, don't be fucking stupid.
Yeah, and if that thing, I mean, you could just wait on Nvidia for the traffic light. If you want Nvidia, you can just wait for the traffic light. That's probably what I would do. I mean, it already got the 1-minute one, but on the 5-minute, it still hasn't triggered.
Yeah. I want to have like okay. So let's have an interactive moment with the community, right?
Yeah.
So STV.
Yes.
You like Monopoly?
I do like Monopoly.
You do, right?
Yeah.
It's fun, right?
It's very fun.
Yeah. You get excited when you win?
Probably not. It's just a game.
It's just a game, right?
Mm-hmm.
I like that you said that. This is just a game until it's realized. That's when it becomes real. That's why they call it realized gains.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? When your money is in the market, it is just a game.
Mm-hmm.
It's meaningless. That's why we say secure the bag and realize the gains, because that's only when it's real. Now, I don't mind landing on fucking Park Avenue and paying, my butthole on Park Avenue because STV has a couple of hotels on there, right? I lose the game. You see?
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, that's exactly what it is in the market. As long as your money's out there in the market, it's just a game. It's a game for them to fuck you. So just make sure you make it real. Secure the bag. That's it. Right? Because no one's going to care that you lost money. It's just a game. Just like I would
your money on the line. No, it's a game every single time you're in it, David. It's not real. It's just numbers on a screen. You're playing a chart. Until the money's back into your account and it's no longer exposed to the risk of the market, it's no longer yours. Once the money's out, it's gone. Unless you then decide to sell it and bring it back.
That's it. Right? So as long as your money's out there, it's a game. And institutions and the market's just having fun with your fucking money.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Do you really want that? No. I really don't want that. Oh, okay. So, Blackman, my play. Oh, thank you for coming back. Blackman, let's talk about this. My play was Goldman Sachs. Was looking at wrong play. Made $1,200. I don't know how fine percentage on Webull though. I caught it on those two big red candles. Okay.
Nice, man. There you go.
So it wasn't Netflix. Hey, Blackman, how do you confuse the two? And you're lucky you pulled that one off.
What happened?
So he had me look at Netflix, but he was really in Goldman. He made
Mm,
$1,200. He's trying to figure out his percentage, but the whole time I'm looking at Netflix, like, okay, so where'd you make your money? But he's
gotcha.
like, it's Goldman. The thing is like, I hope you don't ever confuse yourself in real life, right? Like, just, oh, I'm in this play or not in that play, that kind of thing. Or you're looking at the wrong chart, thinking like, hey, it's
Mhm.
running, but you're really in Goldman and it's fucking dying.
Yeah.
You don't want
Yeah.
that happening. Confession, it's happened to me.
Oh yeah. I've fat fingered stuff before. It sucks. But again, he's asking now how to get the percentage on Weeble. You need the position still has to be open. Then you can click on the position, click the arrow thingy, and then it brings it up.
He can look at his buy and sell order. So the
Yeah,
difference
and just do
there
the
is your
calculation.
percentage.
Yeah. He just want to have the pretty screenshot of it.
That's it. Let's see. I love selling calls and puts to you guys.
You lose every time, bro. We are winning. So if you say you love selling puts and calls to us, you're then saying I love to lose.
Yeah. Let's see. Made a stupid fat figure move today and lost a bit. Not fun. Ooh, boring trader. That really sucks. It's happened to me. Not only have I fat fingered, but I forgot I was in a play. And then I'm
Oh yeah,
talking to
that happened.
SGV like, yay, go hookers. And then I look at my portfolio. I'm like, I can't buy hookers today. What
Yeah,
happened?
we were doing that. What was that, like 2 weeks ago?
Yeah.
Yeah. He's like, oh shit. And I was like, what happened? He's like, I was in puts.
Uh,
Forgot about him.
Let's go ahead and look at Roku.
Oh, the SPY is just mind-numbingly flat right now.
Okay. Okay. Roku, you know what I'm gonna say about this? I have doubt.
Ooh! There you
So
go.
you made money here. It gave you more than you deserve. I have some doubt now. So what do? I defend my profit, set my stop, and let's see if we ride it out below the 48, or I simply secure the bag and keep it moving.
Mm-hmm.
See, as you guys can see, this is more of a strategy of protecting your gains, not making gains. It's a different mindset here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So but this paid. Look at this, Roku, in this candle. Candle high. We had 51.73. Uh this one 51.21 on the low here. So that made a decent move. Roku on the daily.
How's the daily look?
There you go. Roku on the daily here. The high of the candle was 49. It
I
opened
mean,
up.
if you look at the traffic light, look where you're in.
Yeah.
Simple.
And the height of this candle here, even if we hold on till today, because we're still giving greens here, your high is 52.35.
Mm-hmm.
That's a $4 move in 5 days.
That's pretty freaking good, man.
That's
For a
good if you
swing,
got
that's
30
crazy.
to what, 30 to 45 days out, or so 4 to 6 weeks. This would be a filthy move, would it not?
Yeah. That would have been disgusting. Almost every single traffic light that I've seen on the daily or the 4 hour has either been absolutely like ridiculously filthy or the risk is super tight and you might have had a 5% loss. Every single one. And I've been staring at these.
Okay, so H Diamond says, hey guys, question. When using a support or resistance as a tight stop target, do you close out position as soon as the candle breaks the support, or only if it closes under support? I wait for a candle close.
I do too. I wait for a candle closing on the other side because it can wick your level and it's just like sweeping all of the stop orders up there.
There you go. Look
Because
at
the
Algo.
market, like big market participants, know exactly where the stops are being placed. So if it's just above a key level of support or resistance, I mean, they're just gonna send price up, wick it, send it right back down. All right, SPY is slipping here. Let's see what we're at on this.
Let's see.
Come on, Come on, give me a little something here. Come on.
NCLH 1 minute dot paid 10% bag secured. Let's see. Norwegian Cruise Lines 1 minute. Let's go see. Let's. Ooh.
Stop loss strategy engaged. Here it comes again. Where did I buy these at?
That's it. Wait. A 10% gain on Norwegian, and it made. Oh, what? Let me look at this here. Make sure I'm seeing this.
I'm
right.
up 18% on some SPY puts right now.
So it moved 14 cents, 15 cents. Norwegian moved 15 cents, and you made a 10% gain.
Yeah, I mean, on a stock like that,
that's pretty wild.
Probably going to do
that. Wrecker Ralph says Nvidia puts already paying bills. Hell yeah.
Man, I had some puts on that move. I'm up 19% right now. Scaled out, stop and profit. Let this bitch go.
There you go. Every time I play dailies 2 months out, I'm instantly down on my contract, and it never gets in profit.
Who said that?
Marky Mark.
Well, one, it could be the spreads, or two, those are just trades that just may not have worked. I've only missed one of the swings recently. And
Okay.
it's just, I'm just looking at, and again, it's not Marky Mark. Here's the thing. You guys need to detach yourselves from losing a trade. And this is, I feel like I need to make some videos about this for you guys, because you can't focus on whether the trade is right or wrong, because it doesn't matter. Because most of the time, if you have your analysis like set up, there could be something wild else happening that's actually causing the trade to go in your favor. It may not be what you think. So what then happens is that you need to keep your risk at this super tight levels the same exact time. You should view a winning trade as where you manage the risk well. That's what defines a winning trade for me. If I manage the risk well, I'm happy with it. I will gladly take a loss if I'm managing the risk well.
Yeah. I'll go. Do you have like some rough data as to how much you would have made thus far on the daily traffic lights? I know we have 40 alerts, so can we get some quick math there? You can do it. I believe in you. I'm sure you could do it within the next 5 minutes. Now,
Gabe, remember what we were talking about last night with what we were gonna potentially do with the traffic lights on the daily? With our old friend?
Yes.
I think we should do that.
It's happening.
I think we should.
So Segi has a question that says, so do you get in on the 1348 cross of the yellow traffic light? It's not one or the other. It's a collective system, Segi.
I just got stopped out in profit on those spies.
Reversal NVIDIA?
No, this thing is flying around. The price action of the SPY right now should be screaming at you, stay the fuck away. Look what it's just done. It wicked all the way up to 392.42, then sold right off about $1 to the 48 EMA on the 5 minute, and then ripped right back up. This is OPEX here. So options expiration, this is what's happening. They're just hedging.
That's really what they're doing. You see Algo here? Every traffic light that he's taken, see Algo, you get to cheat, but because he has access to the data, has yielded me 20% or more.
Yep.
That's
so all lifetimers will get access to those traffic lights first. So there's going to be a 2-week period where all the lifetime members of the platform will get all those traffic lights. I think the 4 hour is going to come shortly after too.
Yes, they are. Let's go to the daily here with the SO.
Wow, Segi says, I stayed up until 4:30 in the morning watching both of your guys' videos. Took a trade on HLBZ. It went up 130%. Well, are you the guy I timed out earlier for trading penny stocks? Yeah, this is not for us. I mean, great if you hit it and you use the strategy and that's what you're going to do. Cool. This is not something that I will trade or that I will say is a good idea to anybody else in our community. Sometimes they work. Most of the time they go up in flames. So just be careful.
Yeah, so we have so on the daily. Traffic light alerted at
Oh
basically,
my God.
yeah, it's $70. The bottom of this took you to the low of 65.13.
That's insane. That's insane.
That's wild. Jeez Louise.
Don't get left behind. There's still time to get in.
I really feel like I'm losing here. Like I'm giving everybody all this great stuff. I'm losing here.
Start swinging.
Throw me a bone here, man. No, I don't want a bone. Send that to SGV.
No,
So,
don't do that to me either. They already do. I don't need more of that.
holy shit. Did you get one like so big it didn't fit on your phone?
No, I've actually never gotten one. This is not an invitation to do this, but no. Sometimes it happens from the opposite gender. And it's like, okay, sometimes there's a guy that sends me pictures of his girlfriend. And I'm like, I don't need to see this, bro. It's very strange. My DMs are a weird place.
So in fact paid. It did. Let's see.
Let's see. You took a trade on Exxon earlier today on the 1348 EMA cross, and your runner went for 400%. Segi. There you go, man. I mean, it sounds like you're trading dailies. So I know you said you watched the videos, but it doesn't sound like you did.
Be careful, man.
Yeah.
Don't do that. Ford doesn't excite me. Honestly, I'm looking at it here. Not really excited with Ford. Does it look like it's trending down? Yeah, I think with Ford, I would wait for an actual cross.
Yeah.
Yeah. Also, you guys can okay. I think what everybody did essentially was forget. They forget about the crosses because they're so caught up in the traffic light.
Mm-hmm.
But even if you wait for the cross, the traffic light's going to keep you into play,
Mm-hmm.
right? So if you're still timid about front running on a traffic light, you could still use them to keep you into play, and you could use it to manage your risk,
Mm-hmm.
right? So look at the chart and make sense of that. I mean, SGV, let's do that really quick. Let's do that with actually the SPY here, right? So
Yeah, I mean, even if you're taking the daily crosses, well, Trader Joe's up what 13%? He was up 14 last year. Like those crosses work very, very, very well. You don't have to front run if you don't want to. I just happen to love doing it.
yeah, yeah. When the lights lead to the cross is extra fire. I know, Moto. I know, right? But what these traffic lights, what they're also sort of kind of like doing is like, hey, this is your risk. So the value of as it's moving on up. So the value here would be 390.79. So that would be a risk, right? You keep it moving out on up, right? You keep adjusting your stop loss, bringing it up, right? So at the point of this cross here, the value of the yellow dot, I said that on purpose, traffic light, is 389.51, right? But then you could see it turns green here, 389.57. Turns green here, 389.75. You see as the price action goes up, the dots are changing in value, or the traffic lights are changing in value. You could absolutely set your risks here and set your stop losses accordingly. Mm-hmm. That's it.
Gabe, look what the SPY's doing now. Just like scroll over a little bit.
Oh.
It's this thing's on crack, team. Be careful. I was already out. That thing is gnarly.
Well, you got the blue pill line for the win.
Yep.
There you go.
I mean, that's effectively where I scaled out too.
Perfect. I love it. I love it. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. It's time to wrap it up here. Trade1348.com. Go ahead and get your lifetime STV. You're going live at 1:30, right?
Going live in 9 minutes with you people.
9 minutes, right? Go ahead and fuck around and find out. Make some money. Get yourself a lifetime. OG Lifetime is the promo code. Reach out to Diana if you want to convert your monthly into a lifetime. And just go ahead and make your money. Just focus on making money, right? And let's have fun. All right. OGs, looking forward to seeing you guys on Sunday. But for now, I'm signing out.
You gonna have a nice and relaxing weekend this weekend?
Listen, man. I want to act my age this weekend, okay?
Well, if you don't, you can always come back and see me.
No, it's too fucking cold. You could fly down and see me.
It's fair. It's snowing today.
Yeah, that's why I'm not going up there. Yeah, man. You freaking you set off my arthritis. Jesus. That's so cool.
How did I do that?
It's fucking cold. It's a joke.
That makes more sense. I was like, we didn't walk that much.
No, but seriously, it was like, yo, seriously. Okay. It was never mind. I'm signing out. I'm not gonna go down. I'm not going down this road. Peace.